With almost 30 years experience, there isn't much that surprised you on the test floor.
I know my machines from top to bottom. At least I thought so.
We had a perfect yield over the entire wafer for the first time in months. And then, on the last touchdown, bang!
Was it my fault? Was it?
And I just told our maintenance guy what happens if it crashes. But they don't have to deal with it. They don't have the discussions with the production manager. They don't have to do the whole setup again.
Did I press cancel instead of exit? Why did I store the data again? Maybe the prober would still be running if only... I can hear them already.
The work of weeks and months for nothing. Absolutely nothing.
This strange noise like a ghost from the past. It just died on us. No chance to even recover anything.